Yeah.
The choice is yours.
What? 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 Hey, what? What are you talking about?
What is that?
What? Oh my God! Look!
What? What?
Oh look! Hey, it's right there! Look!
It's right there! It's right there on your head! It's literally right there! Where? Cutest this!
¿Quién fue? ¿Quién hizo este desastre?
Leo, stop yelling at him! Are you serious?
You start yelling at me. I know you were both in on this. Yes, you got chicken on your paws.
Who did this?
His tail. Oh.
No, I'll be very upset with you.
Meow.
Move out my way, boo-boo. You gotta move, fat boy. I'm trying to exercise. Shoot, what's up?
Come here.
Why?
Come on, let's go.
Where?
Let's go for a walk.
Where we going? Where we going?
Go for a walk.
That's okay.
Come on.
I'm good. We got the AC on and everything in here.
Boo Boo got sick of you.
Sick of what?
Boo Boo sick of you anyway. Come on.
Boo-boo need to be sick of being fat.
Zomi.
Hold on, let me do my stretches. I'm almost done.
Zomi.
I said I'm trying to do my stretches. Okay, I'm done. What do you want? Why you keep bothering me? I'm trying to get my exercise on. I don't want to be fat like boo-boo. I got to get over there and finish what I started.
Come on, psycho.
Psycho. Oh, I can't believe she just called me psycho, y'all. Y'all heard her call me psycho. She calling me psycho because I'm trying to stay alive and be a healthy dog and get my exercise in. Look how fat Boo Boo is. I ain't trying to be like Boo Boo, y'all. She want me to be like Boo Boo. Look at Boo Boo. He can't even move good. Move out my way, Boo Boo. Look how fat Boo Boo is. I don't want to be like Boo Boo.
Ah! Shut up! Where's the kitties?
I was asleep. I don't know.
Out of your way! Out,
What?
out, out! Hey, stay off.
Where's your brother?
I don't know.
Boo boo. Let's go get Kitty. Hi. Hi, monkey. It only took you 10 minutes. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Man, you need to stop babying Boo Boo big old butt.
What?
You always babying.
What?
You heard me.
What?
Yeah, you just treat him like a big old baby all the time. You need to go make him run on a treadmill or something.
Oh,
Hey,
man.
what y'all laughing at? I'm trying to exercise. What's up, mom? What y'all laughing at?
I'm done. All right.
What's so funny?
Aren't they scared? Wouldn't you think they'd already be running?
I just brought the cat into the bedroom. He's over here with me. There's the cat. And look at all the little notes.
Greatest thing I've ever seen.
I want the other one.
Jackson, you're a good boy. Jackson's such a good boy.
Hey, boy. What's up?
Jeez.
Все тыквы, все кабачки, вот последних осталось. Он вырывает вот здесь и на улице.
Sit. Sit. Jeez.
Это Евана кофта, можешь ее кромсать.
Не офигел ли ты, мой хороший?
Не, не офигел.
Excuse me. Nala. Are you doing dishes?
Пока мы в командировке, Омка теперь нашла себе другую жертву.
Wow. Oh, Gypsy. Oh my god. Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, but we're friends though, right? Yeah.
Wow! You.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Give No, no, I think you got shot.
Why are you sitting like that? What are you doing?
Can you show me your somersault?